Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at ChatGPT and how you can make money online using ChatGPT, or the ways that ChatGPT has recommended for you to make money online. On this channel, I bring to you different ways of earning money online, increasing your productivity, and creating the life of your dream. You might not be living on planet Earth if you've not heard about ChatGPT. But for those of you that are not aware, so let's look into it. What is it? ChatGPT is a simple model to instruct GPT, which is trained to follow an instruction in a prompt and provide a detailed response. To cut long story short, ChatGPT is an AI model that instead of browsing on Google, you can ask the model a question and it will provide you a detailed answer. Instead of like going and clicking on different websites to search for an answer, you can just ask the question on ChatGPT platform and it will provide to you a detailed response. And that's what we are doing today by looking at how to make money online. ChatGPT is a free platform. Just type it on Google, ChatGPT, to bring you to this platform or this website. And here you can ask any question you like. To sign up is pretty easy. Once you've signed up, you click on whatever you like. In this case, we're looking at how to make money online. Let's see how AI recommend that you and I should be making money online. So after searching, you click on the search button or click enter on your keypad, and you can see the answers start flowing on how to make money online. Of course, as you already know, there are numerous ways of making money online. But here, ChatGPT is recommending to us a few options. And the first one is freelancing. We know freelancing. It means that you can offer your service freely to different clients. And in order for you to offer your service to different clients, it's advisable for you to use popular freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer as a way to get those clients. If you have a particular skill set such as writing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your service on the website I've mentioned. And just as an example, let's click on Upwork. On Upwork, you can either hire for a project or look for work. So if you're the one looking for work, just click on Freelancer and people are already coming on this website to look for your service. So now, what service can you offer? You can offer service in development and IT, design and creative, sales and marketing, writing and translation, admin and customer service, financing and accounting, engineering and architecture, legal. So there are different services you can offer here on Upwork. And also, if you're looking for a similar job, you can come here and apply for the work you are looking for. So since you and I want to make money online, ChatGPT is recommending that we should use Upwork or Fiverr or Freelancer as a way to offer services to different clients and generate money. And this Upwork is used by big companies. You can see there are a lot of top skills and top jobs. So see where you fit in here, whether you can enter data, edit a video, analyze data, develop Shopify further. You can develop Android, database administrator. What service can you offer here? There are a lot of services that are here. And let's see the trending skills. So these are the trending skills. So whatever you have your skill in, even though it's in marketing, you can come here and offer the service to other people. And of course, you get paid the amount that you choose to charge them. The second way that ChatGPT is recommending that you and I make money online in 2023 is through online survey. Yes, you've heard about Swagbox, about Survey Junkie, and several other similar websites that pay you to just fill a survey. There are also other websites like Amazon Talk that pay you to do some repetitive tasks or manual tasks. So you just carry out those tasks and you are paid for sharing your opinion or completing a survey. And that's the second way that ChatGPT is recommending for you and I to go about it. And as an example, I'm on Swagbox to show you how it works. Just sign up and you can click on any of these options to fill a survey or answer the question, and you get rewarded with points, which can be converted to dollars or pounds or naira or any currency that you want. You can earn Amazon vouchers, you can earn stay in a hotel, you can earn free shopping at Waitrose, Iceland, and things like that. There are all kinds of rewards. So just come here and fill out the survey. Just the usual survey. What is your name? Tell us about a product you've used in the past, and things that are simple and as similar as that. And that reminds me, if you've not smashed the subscribe button which means that ChatGPT may not work for you. So if you want to make money using the recommended ways of ChatGPT, smash the like button so that we can increase and grow our subscriber base. This period is for us to reach 4,000 public watch hours, monetize our channel, and make money. So ensure that you watch this video to the end. No skipping. Skipping is not allowed. So the third way of making money online is through dropshipping or selling through online marketplaces. We're in the modern world and there are different marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon, eBay that allow you to sell your products online. Amazon is very popular. So you go there to buy things, clothes, wristwatch, microphone, and things like that. So you too can, instead of always being the customer, always being the buyer, and complain that the product is not good, you can be the seller and you can order for your shipments from China. You don't need to manufacture it by yourself. Use the dropshipping method to order it from China and sell it on Amazon, Etsy, and eBay. And just as an example, let's go to Etsy website and see things that other people are selling. You see this product, banking holiday entertaining products, wedding decor, shirts, woody items, clothes, and all these materials. They are being sold by normal guys and girls like you and I. So you too can design any of these products. It can even be an electronic product. It doesn't have to be a physical product, and start selling it on Etsy. I've made a video on how to sell on Etsy, so kindly check it out in order to know the process and start selling on Etsy. But it's pretty easy. You see, all these beautiful things that you are seeing are being sold on Etsy by people like you and I. And that's what ChatGPT is recommending for us to do in 2023. The fourth way is by blogging. Yes, if you are someone that's very good with writing or typing out a topic or expressing yourself, instead of wasting your time on Twitter, start a blogging website, express your opinion. If you're someone that's very skillful in a particular area, hey, don't dull it. Come and start making money by blogging. And also, bloggers make money by ads and affiliate marketing. And you see, that's what ChatGPT is recommending that you do in 2023. If you search for something on Google, for example, how to dance, you can see there's a video on how to dance. And if you go down, you will see explanation of how to dance. All these explanations are blogs by different businesses or different individuals that are teaching people how to dance. So your own may not necessarily be how to dance, but it could be something similar on what you are passionate about. I can't wait to read your blog. The next way that ChatGPT is recommending that you and I make money this year is through online teaching and coaching. Yes, are you someone that's very skillful in geography, chemistry, mathematics, physics, economics, or whatever subject you're very good at? Or you're someone that knows a lot about investing, productivity, YouTube, gym, or gymming, and things like that? What are you very good at? You can teach other people. Hey, you don't have to be a pro. You just have to know better than people that you're teaching. And start creating content, start creating courses, and start teaching other people about this service that you offer. So if you're an expert in a particular subject, you can teach others online through websites such as Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare. If you follow my channel, you know I've shown you my revenue and I've shown you my courses on Skillshare and Udemy. And before the end of this year, I will show you the one I released on Thinkific, which is very similar to Teachable. So it's a way of teaching people what you know. So what do you know about? You can go to Udemy, which is quite popular, and start offering that service. You see, on Udemy, there are different courses that people are teaching. You too can take those courses and pay for it. But since you want to make money, you are the one that's teaching some of these courses on Udemy. You're seeing it. To click on categories, you can click on Office, Productivity, Microsoft. So which topic do you know in Microsoft? Excel VBA, data analysis. You can share it. You can teach other people about that particular concept or subject. And of course, you are paid when students take your class or take your course. So people are doing it and as a way of making money online. So also, if you are very good with a particular skill, you can create the whole content around it on Teachable and market it to people that don't know much about that area. The sixth way that ChatGPT is recommending is that we make money by being virtual assistant. You can provide administrative or technical support to businesses or individuals remotely using websites like Zichuan, Upwork, and Freelancer in order to provide virtual assistant jobs. You know, when in the modern world, you have to be an office secretariat or executive assistant to someone in an office for you to offer useful administrative jobs. So if you're someone that's very good in typing, managing email, the usual job of an assistant, of an executive assistant, or an office secretary. So you can offer the same service, but now you are doing it online using online virtual assistant website like Upwork, Fiverr, Guru, Zichua. You're able to offer your services to your client, and of course, you are paid for doing those jobs. Now, these are the 6 ways that you've seen that ChatGPT recommend that will make money online in 2023. But if I want to get more results, I just click on generate response, lead me to page 2 of 2, and show me more ways of making more money online. Some of them will be repetitive because it tends to cover the bulk or the major ways of making money online. But let's say anyone that's not repetitive, which I've not discussed about, so that I'll tell you about it. We've seen freelancing, online survey and market research, selling product online, which is dropshipping. Affiliate marketing is very useful for people that have blogs or YouTube or audience. If you have an existing audience, you can sell to them by promoting a product to them. This can be done through social media, blogs, or website. So are you someone that already have a blog, already have a website, already have a following on Instagram? You can sell product to them and attach your affiliate link to them as an example of making money online. And let me show you an example with my own. So you can see, as a YouTuber, I made this video, 8 ways to make money online in Nigeria, where I earn about 3,000 naira every day. If you click below, you will see that I have some courses here and also some affiliate link. So if you want to buy Bitcoin on Binance, or you want to buy cryptocurrency on Coinbase, by clicking on any of these links I have here, they are affiliate links. So which means that the company will pay me a certain commission from it without it affecting you. So if you have to buy Bitcoin for $100, you still buy it for $100. It won't increase it or decrease it. But for me, for referring you to use this website, they will pay me a little commission, like 1% or 0.1%. If you add it up in a year, that can be about $100,000, which is more than a lot of people's salary. So you can add it up to make a huge amount of money. I've discussed about online tutoring, where I told you can make money by telling people the subject that you know. And as an example, we have Tutor Me, where you can teach people the subject that you know very well. Every student need a tutor. Every student need a mentor. So you can go on this website, Tutor Me, My Tutor, and several other tutoring websites in order to teach students the subject that you love the most or that you know the most. Tutor Me connects students with highly qualified tutors for one-to-one support whenever and wherever they need it the most. So if you are someone that's very good with a particular subject, make money with it by teaching a student and contributing to the good of the society. So let's look at more ways that ChatGPT is recommending that will make money online this year through content creation. You can earn money by creating content such as videos, podcasts, or blog posts. This can be monetized through advertising or sponsorship. This video you are watching now, I can make money with it through the ads that run through this video. Podcasts that you watch, people can make money with it when they monetize it or through sponsorship, even through blogs. So if you are someone that can create content, that's why TikTok is blowing up in a modern world. Everybody is now a content creator because there's a lot of money you can make by being a famous content creator, not just creating content, but by being famous. You can see we are TikTok and you are seeing people on the home page of TikTok. So if you have a huge audience, you can get paid if people want to sponsor a video that you've made. Very popular example I always use is Kabilane. And now he's a boss ambassador because he is famous on TikTok. So you too can become famous on TikTok and be making huge amount of money through sponsorship or through ads or through other deals that these platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram offer. So here we also have online courses, which I've already explained to you how it works, and I gave you an example. And I'll put some video here that will show you how much I made from my online courses, which shows you that these things I'm telling you are not fake, they are realistic, they are real. People have done it. I am doing some of them and I'm making money from it, and I would encourage you to make money from it. Just before I end the conversation, I will tell you that remember, making money online is not a get rich quick scheme, and it takes hard work, persistence, and patience to build a sustainable income stream. To build a sustainable income stream takes time, takes effort, takes work. So that's what I'm telling you now, to smash the subscribe button so that my own base will increase and grow money, and I will subscribe to your own channel and you make money too. So these are the popular ways that you and I can make money in 2023 as recommended by ChatGPT. And as we have more technological breakthrough, I will bring them to you on different ways of making money online. But I hope that this was able to give you an idea of how to make money online. Tell me in the comment section which one do you prefer the most, or which one are you currently using to make money online in 2023. Thank you. See you in my next video on online trading. There, I will expose Forex to you. Forex made easy. Thank you. Bye.